Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to use wired and Bluetooth headphones at the same time on laptop or PC. First, connect Bluetooth headphone. Now connected Bluetooth headphone. Open Windows Settings. Click System, click Sound. First select your wired headphone or speaker as output device. Click More Sound Settings. Now one output device is connected. Click Recording tab, enable stereo mix. Open stereo mix properties. Click Listen tab. Uncheck then check Listen to this device. Select your Bluetooth headphone. Click Apply, click OK, now you can use wired and Bluetooth headphone devices. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.